Hello everyone, welcome to part 181 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So finally we are going to start working on admins, subadmins, roles and permission that is due from a long time, and lot of my friends asked me to work on it as soon as possible. So finally we are here, we are going to start working on it. Okay, so first of all I will tell you briefly about the thing that we are going to do in admin subadmin. See, first of all, there are three types of admins. Okay, so one is the super admin. Okay, so super admin will be only one super admin will be there in our website. Okay, and super admin will have all the features, and super admin see, we can't able to edit, delete or anything. Means super admin, if someone want to do make changes in super admin, then that required from database. Okay, then we need to update from the database. So there is one super admin, and okay, I will write here only one. So and there can be many admins. Okay, after that admins. Okay, admins can be many. Okay, so many. Okay, so after that there can be subadmins as well, and subadmins can also be many, one or many. Okay, so now see, up till now this is our I'm going to open the database admins table, and you can see here that we have already added some of the admins and subadmins, and we used to open the admin panel with this email admin@admin.com, and in the beginning itself I'm going to open the admin/admin. So here you can see that we used to open with this one admin@admin.com, and you can see that we able to open with this admin, and we can also open with the other admins as well, like john@admin.com, and this is the subadmin. Okay, and we can also open from this one, you can see, but we have added these from the table itself. We have not added from the admin panel, and this one we are going to do, we will work on this one, like we can able to add admins and subadmins from the admin panel. We can able to update them, and we can able to define roles and permissions for them, like if you are going to add one subadmin, then we can give that person permission, like that person can only manage sections, or only manage brands, or only manage categories. Okay, so such kind of permissions, okay, we can give. So see, super admin can be one only. So I am going to make one super admin. I am going to convert this main super admin. So see, this one is super admin. So why I am creating super admin here? Because see, I am going to give admin the full access. So admin can delete other admins as well, admin can delete subadmins as well, admin can update admins and subadmins as well. But if in case one of the admin delete all other admins, then it will create the real issue. So there must be one super admin that can't be editable at all. That if you want to edit, then only the website administrator, only the developer of the website can able to update that, and that's also from the table itself. Oh, okay, so that is not the task that any admin or user can able to do. So now here I'm going to show you. See here, so super admin is only one, like I have created this one right now, super admin. So this is the super admin now. Okay, so after that there can be many admin and subadmin that can update, that we can update. Okay, so so I'm going to create one more table later on for the admin roles. Okay, so that is the different thing. But first of all, we will make the provision to add these admins and subadmins from the admin panel, to update these and to delete these as well, to make them active or inactive. But right now we can't do anything. We can't add subadmins, we can't add admins, we can't update them, we can't make them active or inactive. So everything will come under it. Okay, so what we are going to do, see here. So first of all, we are going to see control admins and subadmins in admin panel. Admins and subadmins, we will do add, edit, delete, okay, and view, and after that we are going to set permissions, okay, set roles and permissions. So these things we are going to do in this. Okay, so let's start. First thing is we are going to update the admin sidebar. Here I'm going to add admin and subadmin link. So I'm going to open the admin sidebar here. So this one I am going to do initially, otherwise I am going to do at last, but I think that I must do in beginning. So here I am going to add here admins and subadmins. Okay, so here I am going to control like this, admins underscore subadmins. We will create this session later on. Active fine, and URL, we are going to create the URL to show all admins and subadmins here, means active, and here admins and subadmins, means subadmins. Okay, we can check once, see we able to add. So first thing is we want to display all admins and subadmins here in our admin panel. Okay, and after that we are going to make functionality for adding these admins and subadmins, and after that edit and delete and active inactive status, and we will check that that we able to create the subadmin, that subadmin can able to log in or not. Okay, so everything we are going to do one by one. So now we have added this one. Now we are going to create the route for admin and subadmin for displaying admin and subadmins. Okay, so in web.php file I am going to have the route here at the last, admins, subadmins. So here I am going to create the get route for admin subadmins. Admins, subadmins, admin controller, admins, subadmins. Okay, so this is the function admin subadmins that we are going to add inside admin controller. So we are going to add this function at last, public function admin subadmins. Okay, so here we will simply return this function to blade file, return view. We are going to create one blade file after this step inside admin folder. We are going to create one folder also, admin underscore subadmins. This folder we are going to create, and inside this folder we are going to create one file that is admins underscore subadmins dot blade dot php file. Okay, so yeah, so we are going to do like this. Okay, so here one thing, we want to show all the admins subadmins from the admins table. You can see the admins table, and so we have the admin model as well. You can open the model here that we have created in the beginning of the series. So now we can easily pick, we can easily create the query to pick all the admins and subadmins from the admins table. Okay, so here we are going to create like admins underscore subadmins equal to admin is the model, and we are going to get all the admins and subadmins from the admin model. Okay, it means from the table itself. So this admin subadmins we are going to return to the admins underscore subadmins blade file that we are going to create in next step, and this one we are going to return this admin subadmins array in this one. Okay, so one more thing, we are going to start here the session for admin subadmin session, put that to highlight at left sidebar. Okay, page is admin underscore subadmins, so that we can highlight here, okay, to match it with this page. So that's why we have added. Okay, so now we are going to refresh, but before refresh we need to create this folder and the file. So let's do it. Inside your project folder, go inside resources, views, admin, and inside this one I'm going to create one folder, admins underscore subadmins. Okay, so I can copy from some other folder. I want to show all the admin and subadmins, and I can copy users. That seems to be perfect for admin subadmins, and then I can rename this file to admins underscore subadmins. See, it will save our time. We just required to make the essential changes. See, I'm going to open the admins subadmins, and here I'm going to make the changes. Admins subadmins. So we are going to show all admin subadmins here, and here we are going to show the those only the required fields. We are going to show ID, name, email. See, we can match with here. Okay, so here we can see ID, name, type, mobile, email. Okay, so ID, name, email, mobile also we can show. ID, name, mobile, email. After that, type, that is admin subadmin. Okay, whatever it is. After that we can remove all other, that status and actions. Okay, so here we have already passed admin subadmins, and see, you can so it's your wish. If you want to just make simple variable admins, then subadmins is also a part of admin. Okay, so you can just simply give admins. Okay, if you want to give it like this, then you can also give it like this. Okay, so it's your choice that which variable name you want to give. Okay, so admin subadmins, inside this one I'm going to add the admin, and now I am going to do like this. I'm going to change all. So now see here, admin ID fine, name fine, after that name, mobile, after that mobile, email, then type, after type see, status we are going to remove all these extra fields, then status will be here. Here we are going to make it update admin status, that we are going to create jQuery in next step. Okay, so this one is fine. So now it seems to be fine, but one more is required for the actions can be edit or delete. Okay, if you if admin or subadmin can be deleted, or can we can able to edit as well. So we can open here some other module like products blade.php files, so that we can copy these ones like edit and delete. Okay, so this one we require, so we can copy this one here, edit and delete from there, and we can just simply add one more td, close it, and inside this one we can add this one. So here edit admin subadmin will come up. Okay, edit admin, and here we can give the URL we can make it something like add edit admin hyphen subadmin that we are going to create. So here admin ID, and here in place of here delete admin, here also we can give a delete admin subadmin. Okay, so it seems to be fine, and this one here we can give admin. So now edit is there and delete is there. One more we are going to add here, but that functionality we will add later on. That is for roles and permissions. Okay, so for that I'm going to add set roles permissions. Okay, roles permissions, and we can here also we'll use some other something like update admin role or something. I don't know that we will decide later on that what URL we are going to assign for roles. Okay, so but we can define the URL like update to make update role like this. It seems okay. So now here if we unlock, we can use some other font, if some icon here. Okay, so now we can go back to check. Okay, so I'm going to click on admin subadmin and see here all the admin subadmin has come up. Okay, so still need to make it like admin subadmin in case of user, and search if any other user is still here. Okay, it is still here. Add edit user, add user. Okay, add edit admin subadmin, add admin subadmin. So any other, here we are going to make admins underscore subadmins. Now fine. Okay, so this is the admins and subadmins. We are showing all the admins and subadmins. See here is our 4 admin and subadmin. One is the super admin, 2 subadmin, and 1 is admin, and all we are showing here in admin panel as well. Okay, so you can just simply increase its width. Okay, so it seems to be fine, the page seems to be fine. Now we are going to do see, we are going to make the status active or inactive, and also we can able to delete the admin and subadmin as well. So 2 things we are going to work on now. Okay, so first of all, let's see the status we must able to update, and for that we are going to create the another route like we have created earlier as well. We are going to create the another route similar to the here also we have given somewhere coupons. See this one, update coupon status, coupon controller. So such kind of route we are going to create for admin as well. So it is almost identical. So here it will come update admin status, and here it will come admin controller, and here it will come update admin status. Okay, so we will keep it same. So here in admin controller update admin status function we are going to add, but I am going to open some other module, and we are going to copy the function from there. See, update brand status, I'm going to copy this one because this one we have already created, so no need to create that again. Just copy paste and change the required. Okay, so brand we are going to update to admin, and other than brand just the brand ID we are going to update here admin ID and also here the admin. Okay, so we are going to update the status here, and also the jQuery we are going to update in front script. Okay, so here we can copy any of the jQuery. So I'm going to check for the jQuery is not in front script, but it's in admin script. We are working on admin, so we must open the admin script. And now see update brand status. Here I'm going to copy this one and going to save this one, and going to make the essential changes here. So instead of brand, now admin will come. Okay, so admin, and here for this brand I'm going to replace it with admin. Okay, so that is done. So now we can check the status here. We can able to update. See here, yeah, we can make it disable. Now see, first two gets disabled. Here the status must be 1 from 1 to 0. Okay, so it's fine. So now we must not able to log in with admin@admin.com. Like if I will log out and will try to log in, it must not logged in. So there is the issue. See, we still able to logged in with the disabled admin. So we need to check that whether we have given this condition at the time of login. So we will check here in admin controller. We're going to check the login function, and here we are going to check the status we have given or not. Admin dashboard, check once. So here we need to give the status as well, email given, password given, and here we need to give the status as well. Status must be 1, only then user can able to log in. Okay, so now we are going to check here. See, I'm going to log in with the admin.com and see sign in. No, we can't able to log in now because its status is 0. Okay, its status is disabled. Now some other admin can able to update the status for this admin. Okay, so admin or subadmin status can only be updated from some other admin. So I'm going to log in with some other admin like steve@admin.com, whose status is active right now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I'm going to log in with some other admin here, subadmin or okay. So see here, only admin can able to update the status of other admins. Subadmins can't do anything. Subadmins can have specific kind of roles and permissions. Okay, subadmins can't do anything. Subadmins don't have access of admins, subadmins. Okay, so only the admin will have the privilege. So that thing we also cut down. See, now we have logged in from the subadmin. So right now I'm going to update the status, but now I need to cut off subadmin can't able to access the complete admin subadmins module. Only admin and super admin can able to access the admin subadmin module. Okay, so for that I'm going to add the condition here. First of all, I'm going to add the condition in admin sidebar that only admin or subadmin can able to view the left sidebar, admin subadmin module at the left sidebar. So for that I'm going to check with the auth guard type. Okay, I'm going to check. See, we are using the guard for admin. Okay, so I'm going to check the user type. Here I think we have yeah, such kind of thing. Okay, so this is really helpful. So now see here, so I'm going to add the condition here at the rate of if here auth guard admin user type equal to super admin or it can be admin. Okay, so in both cases we are going to show the admin subadmin at the left sidebar, and we are going to end this at the end of li if li. Fine. So I'm going to check here. See now, see you will go to dashboard. Here we can't able to access. Okay, now I want that the even if that subadmin opens the admin panel, and but that subadmin can't able to access from here as well. Okay, even if he give the URL, but that URL will not open, it will go to the dashboard. Okay, so for that thing I am going to update that admin subadmin function. Okay, and see here I'm going to update that admin subadmin function that we have created earlier, and here I'm going to add the condition. So if that same condition I'm going to add here, type equal to subadmin. In case if the type is subadmin, then we are going to return redirect admin dashboard. Okay, so let's see see now if even if the subadmin will try to open the admin subadmin, it will not open, dashboard will open. Okay, you can even show the error message and you don't have access to the admin subadmin, like such kind of error message you can show in the dashboard blade file. If I will open the dashboard admin dashboard.play.php file, here we can show the error message as well. I think we are showing somewhere. We have the success message, but we can also show the error message here somewhere. Like after dashboard we can show. Section here we can show here error message, and here alert danger, and this one we are going to redirect with the error message. We can simply put session flash, we can give error message, and error message you don't you have no access of admin subadmin, or this feature is restricted. Any message you can give. Okay, so if the that subadmin will try to open the admin subadmin, what is URL? I forgot its URL. It is admin subadmin. Okay, so this feature is restricted, it is coming. Okay, so or you have the limited access, anything you can give. Okay, so like this. So for subadmin it will not open, but if you are going to open with the admin once again, see it will open, left sidebar will also open, and complete will also open. So see, admin can't able to update anything for super admin as well. So these permissions we are going to remove these actions. Okay, so we are going to add the another condition here, we are going to add inside for each loop. Okay, so we are going to add another condition here. So here I'm going to open the admin subadmin, and here I will only show the status as well as the roles if the type is not super admin. Okay, so here I'm going to do one thing here. See, I'm going to check if dollar admin type, sorry, if admin type is not equal to super admin, only then he can able to assess active or inactive, and also the same thing for this one as well. So let's see now. Okay, so you can see see if even if admin login, see subadmin will not have this access, so subadmin can't do anything with super admin. But if admin will able to log in and reach this page admin, then admin don't have access, admin can't do any changes for super admin. So super admin, no one can able to change super admin permissions, super admin access. Okay, so only the website administrator, only the developer of the website can able to make any changes for super admin. Okay, so here you can see the admin can able to log in and can update the status for other admins as well, and can update his own admin as well, can set permissions for admin and subadmins, can create new admin and subadmins. Okay, can edit as well, can delete as well. Okay, so now we are going to do the delete functionality as well. Okay, so we need to move faster, okay, than before, because there are many things we need to do in roles and permissions. So see, more time we are going to spend now. So now we are going to work on delete as well. So for delete route also, we can simply copy from other one, because we already having the similar kind of routes, like in brands we have created the delete route. Okay, so it will work perfectly, no need to do everything from scratch. So here delete admin, so it's in admin controller, and delete admin. Okay, so delete admin or subadmin, you can give it like this, delete admin or hyphen subadmin as well. Okay, it's your choice, like if you want to give here like delete admin subadmin, then you can also give it like this, delete admin subadmin. Okay, then we are going to create this in admin controller. So in the same way, like we have done for delete brand, we can simply copy and can add in admin controller. Then we can simply add delete admin subadmin like this. So here we are going to add delete admin subadmin. Okay, here admin will come where id. Okay, that is fine. So here we are going to add admin subadmin has been deleted successfully, and that will return redirect back. Okay, so now we are going to check here that we able to delete admin subadmin. And here I want to show you one thing, that we have already set here delete admin subadmin javascript confirm delete is the function that we are using as the common jQuery function we have added in the beginning of this series to delete any of the module in this one. See, earlier on we have done the static one, and after that we have modified it to dynamic one with the sweet alert. Okay, and here we are dynamically sending the module. Okay, record and record id. Record is for the table like admin product. Okay, and record id is for the that table id. Okay, like admin id, product id. Okay, so it dynamically will get the value from that we are passing from there. Here you can see we are passing the admin as record and admin id as record id. Okay, so we are dynamically passing, it is accepting and doing our task dynamically for all the modules. Okay, so now we are going to check that whether we able to delete the admin or subadmin as well. Like I'm going to delete this admin subadmin, this 4. Are you sure? If I cancel, it will not delete. If I click on yes, delete it, see it's going to delete admin delete. Okay, so its url, we need to add its url. Okay, so see, we need to give it delete admin only, not the subadmin here, because it is already predefined in our jQuery. So that's why we will give the delete hyphen admin only. Okay, so and after that it must work fine. Let's see now. Go back and refresh. Now click on delete once again. Are you sure? Yes, delete it. Now it is working fine. Okay, because we have already predefined it in our jQuery. Here you can see admin delete hyphen record, and in record we are sending admin only. You can see here in admin we are sending the admin in record, otherwise we need to send the admin hyphen subadmin in both record and record id, and that will can make the task more complex and may shows the error. Okay, so now it is working fine. You can able to update the status as well, and here you can check that admin server has been successfully, that message is also coming. Okay, so now we can able to show the admin subadmin in admin panel. We can able to update their status, we can able to delete them as well. Okay, so in next video we are going to work on the add admin subadmin functionality. Okay, so we can add any admin subadmin, and then after adding them we are going to try login with them as well. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. First we are going to work on admin, add admin subadmin, then edit admin subadmin, and after that we are going to set permissions for them. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.